It's your girl JeneaMonae, and I hope you're having an awesome day. So today we are dropping my nieces off. I cooked them breakfast and we just got ready and left, and now they're about to see their dad. And yeah, y'all, and I'm breaking out really bad that time. Anyway, so yeah, so we at his house now.
For a lifetime underneath the moonlight, 'cause I don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline, you could be my sunshine in a world so full of pain. Can you make it go away? Used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay. Yeah, I used to be uncomfortable, but look at me today. Never thought I'd find someone like you, someone to show the way. But now I know you're the answer to my prayer. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I'm sorry for the burden, sorry I was hurting, but my scars are almost healed. Yeah, my scars are almost healed. Yeah, I'm feeling like a child now. Everything's alright now, and it's all because of you. You made the flower in me bloom. Used to be afraid of everything, but now there's no more fear. Yeah, I used to let nobody in and hide my face with tears. Always thought of you as someone who can love someone like me, but I was wrong. Baby, now I believe. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. You and me must be right.
Hey you guys, so you have reached the end of this vlog. Oh my goodness, my camera is about to die. So like I said, you reached the end of this video. Your girl is tired and I have to get up early to cook breakfast for the fam before they go to work and before my niece go to school. So I love you, God love you, and continue to be what? Baby, continue to be you, because you are amazing, you are worth it, and you deserve to be yourself, okay? I love you again, and please make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And I just want to thank everyone for always commenting and sharing out my video. I really appreciate you. In Jesus' name, good night, baby. Jingle bell, a jingle bell. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell. Jingle, jingle, jingle bell, jingle bell. Jingle, jingle bell. Good night, y'all.